Let's look at a lesson from Tili Kannada grade 5 from the Purva Siddhata Patagalu section. The name of this lesson is Galipata. Galipata means kite. Let's look at the lesson now. ಊರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಬಯಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಲರವವೋ ಕಲರವ. Bayalu means field, makkalu means children, and kalarava is the chattering. So, the meaning is, in the fields or the open ground which was in front of the village, the chattering of children was heard. Avara nota agasada kadege. Agasa is sky, kadege is towards. They were all looking towards the sky. Are, ado nodi, and they were showing to one another. See there, look there. ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಲಾಗ ಹೊಡೆಯುವ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ತಾರೆಗಳು. ಪಟಪಟ ಗಾಳಿಪಟಗಳು. Laga means to jump and ಗಾಳಿಪಟಗಳು is kites. So ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ, up and down, laga is jumping. So the kites which were jumping or flying up and down, they were all, the children could see that in the sky. Abbabba, bage bageya patagalivu. So there are different types. Bage bage means different types. So there were different types of kites there. Buguli pata, Hanumana pata, Tara pata, Ayata pata, Chaukada pata, Kola pata, Galiya pata, Havina pata. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲು ಸಾಲಾಗಿ ಹಾರುವ ಸರಣಿ ಪಟಗಳು. So they could see kites which were of different shapes and sizes. So they could see Tarapata means the kite in the shape of a star. Ayata means rectangular shape. Chauka means square shape. Then Havinapata, a kite which was like a snake. Hanumanapata, a kite which looked like Lord Hanuman. So like this, variety of kites, a series of kites they could see. ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲು ಸಾಲಾಗಿ ಹಾರುವ ಸರಣಿ ಪಟಗಳು. So they could see series of kites flying up in the sky. ಆಗಸಕ್ಕೆ ದಾಳಿ ಇಡುವ ಪಟಗಳು ನೂರಾರು. ನೂರಾರು means hundreds. And dali means invade or enter. And agasa is sky. So there were hundreds of kites which were entering or invading the sky. Rangugalo halavaru, and they also were in many colors, in different colors. Rangu means colors. Kempu, red, kesari, orange, hasiru, green, neeli, blue, haladi, yellow. Rangu rangina rangoli moodisive. So there were so many different colors kites. So it looked like as though there was a rangoli drawn in the sky. Galipatagala ರೂಪು ರಂಗುಗಳು ಸಾವಿರ ತರಹ. So ರೂಪು is form and rangu is colors. So the kites, there are thousands of the kites come in thousands of forms and colors. ಆದರೆ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕುವ ದಾರದ ಗಂಟು ಒಂದೇ ತರಹ. So for flying a kite, you need a string. So dara means the string or the cord. So even though the kites come in different forms and colors, the string that is tied to the kite is always same, one type only. ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರಲು ಪಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಬಾಲಂಗೋಚಿ. And for the kites to keep flying higher and higher, they also need a tail. Balangochi means a tail. Adu samatolana balangochi, and that is used for balance. It's a balance. The tail is used for balancing the kite. Agasadi balukuva ee patagalu ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಮಾವು ತರಲು ಆಗಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿದ ಬಾಲ ಹನುಮನಂತೆ ಕಾಣುವುವು. So how people can imagine, or how do the kites look for them? So for some people, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ, some people, they feel like it is actually Bala Hanuman flying up in the sky to get the mango. ಹಲವರಿಗೆ ನೀಲಿ ಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜುವ ರಂಗು ರಂಗಿನ ಮೀನುಗಳಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವುವು. And for some people, The kites look like as though they are fishes swimming in the sea. ತಿಳಿದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾನವರ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ದೇವಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಗಿಸುವ ರಾಯಭಾರಿಗಳಂತೆ ಕಾಣುವುವು. Sandesha means message. Devaloka is a place where all the gods live, heaven. Then Rayabari means an ambassador or a messenger. So for few people the kites look like as though they are ambassadors or messengers giving the message from human to the heaven. ವಿವಿಧ ರಂಗು ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ಆಕಾರದ ಪಟಗಳು. ವಿವಿಧ ರಂಗು means they come in different colors, and ಬಗೆ akara means shape. They also come in different shapes. ನೀಲಿ ನಭಕ್ಕೆ ರಂಗು ಬಳಿಯುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆಟವಿದು. ನಭ means sky. ಬಳಿಯುವ is to paint. So these kites also look like as though the children are painting the sky. It's like a game where children are painting the sky. ಮೇಲಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತಸ ಪಡುವ ತುಂಟಾಟವಿದು. This game gives a lot of happiness. Santasa means joy or happiness. ಮನಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟವಿದು. ಮನಸೆಳೆ means attract the mind. Nota is visuals. The visuals of the kites flying in the sky, it is so attractive. It attracts our minds. ಪಟ ಹಾರಿಸಲು ಸುಳಿವ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇಕು. So one important factor to fly the kite is you need wind which is blowing. It should be a lightly blowing wind. ಅದು ಸುಂಟರ ಗಾಳಿಯಾದರೆ ಸಂಕಟವೋ ಸಂಕಟ. But if the wind is very strong like a whirlwind, then it is difficult. Sankata means difficult. It is not easy to fly a kite in such a condition. If the winds are very strong. ಬಾಲಂಗೋಚಿ ಹರಿದರೆ ಗಿರಿಗಿರಿ ತಿರುತಿರುಗಿ ಗಿರಕಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುವವು. And if the tail of the kite tears, then the flight will start descending. It will start falling down. Girigiri tirutirugi means it will just keep turning and trying to fall down. ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರಲಾರದೆ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿದು ಬರಲು ಹಠ ಹಿಡಿಯುವು. ಮೇಲೆ they cannot fly any more higher. The kites cannot go any more higher if the tail is cut. And so they will only be trying to come and fall down. ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸಿತೆಂದರೆ ದಾರ ಹರಿದು ಚಟಾಪಟಿ. And if the wind is really very strong, like a whirlwind, then even the string of the kite can break. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಶಾಪ ಹಾಕುವರು. So if the wind is very strong and if that destroys the kite, it either tears the tail or it breaks the string, then the children will get very disappointed and they will start cursing the wind. Hidishapa means curse. They will start cursing the wind. ಮರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಟ ಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಓಡುವರು. They will curse the wind and then immediately the next second they will be running to catch their kite. ಮಾಳಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಜಿಗಿಯಲು ಆರಂಭವಾಗುವುದು. So the kites, they will keep trying to keep falling down. So from one floor to another floor, they will keep falling down. Malige means floor of very tall buildings. They will have multiple floors, right? So from the topmost floor, it will keep trying to come down to the bottom floors. ಆಗ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಗೋಳಾಟ. And that is more trouble for the parents of the children, because the children will be running up and down and the parents will be worried that the children might fall down and hurt themselves. So it is trouble for the parents. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಟ, ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ಸಂಕಟ. So it is a game for all the children, but it is trouble for the parents. ದಾರ ಹರಿದ ಪಟ ಹಿಡಿದರೆ ಆಗ ನೋಡು ಸಂತಸದ ನೋಟ. And in case the children are successful in catching that kite which is falling down, then you can see so much of happiness or joy on them, on their faces. ಅದು ಕಾಣದ ಎಂದೂ ಕಾಣದ ಆನಂದದ ಕೂಟ. So that entire group, they look so happy. You wouldn't have seen them so happy, and you could see that they are so happy. So this is Galipata.